Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access the recovery menu on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, S24 Ultra or any of these Samsung Galaxy smartphones. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here I am at the lock screen of my Z Fold 6. The very first thing you have to do is switch off your device. So to access the recovery menu, you will need a USB Type-C cable and a computer. You will have to connect the USB cable to your smartphone, Galaxy Z Flip 6 here, and other end to your computer. And before the Samsung logo appears on the screen of your device, you will have to press the power key and volume up key together. Press and hold them like this. So since this is going to be pretty quick, I'm going to place my finger on the volume up, pressing it, and then I'm going to connect it with the USB cable, and as soon as it is connected I will press the power key. Press and hold. Once the Samsung logo appears, then Samsung Galaxy. Now I can move my finger from the power key but keep pressing volume up, and as you can see now we are inside the recovery menu. So now I can disconnect the USB cable, and here you can see that we got plenty of options to navigate between them. You can use the volume up and down keys, and to select any of these you can press the power key. So this is how you can access the recovery menu on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, S24 Ultra, S23 or whatever Samsung Galaxy smartphone you got. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.